Good afternoon, I'm Donna December, North Pole News anchor. Today on NPN Investigates, Santa, good manager or slave driver? Do Santa's most famous employees know their rights? I'm here at the School of Law at the University of Manchester to find out. With me is Claire, a School of Law legal expert. Claire, the festive season can be a busy and stressful time for elves. Would you agree that Santa Claus could be breaking a number of elf employment and elf and safety laws?
Well, Donna, the situation is complex. Santa's elves are certainly a large and unusual workforce, subject to a number of elf and safety risks, but we do believe Santa has measures in place to protect them.
So how does Santa manage the elf and safety risks?
Santa must ensure he follows the elf and safety legislation in the workplace. There are a number of potential risks around the workshop and the stables. Things like wrapping paper, cuts, slipping on hazardous reindeer poo, and even eye strain from reading the naughty list. To make sure he's on the right side of the law, Santa can make an appointment with our student advisors in the Legal Advice Centre.
And what about recruitment? Do we see Santa employing the right elves for the job?
Although he recruits a highly competent team, Santa could become embroiled in a legal challenge relating to discrimination. Each year he receives a number of applications from goblins and giants. However, it's not enough to reject their applications on the grounds that they are too tall or too terrifying to work at the North Pole. We would suggest that Santa seek our advice on what reasonable adjustments he could make and introduce to accommodate these candidates.
It's reassuring to know that advice is available to Santa. And Claire, we hear again and again that festive music is causing headaches.
Yes, in recent times, increasing numbers of cases have emerged as a result of repetitive festive music that's played during working hours. Elves may find they are having a negative response to overexposure to loud Christmas music. 10 hours on the workshop floor with Christmas classics on full volume, and some elves may be wishing they'd been run over by a reindeer instead of grandma. It can be challenging, though, to prove that ill health is a direct result of overplayed Christmas music, and it certainly didn't work for the Grinch. Thankfully, again, the Legal Advice Centre are here to help any elves who are not sure of their rights when it comes to the working environment.
And finally, as well as taking the right legal advice, what can elves do themselves to make sure that the Christmas Eve rush is as safe and jolly as it can be?
We should assume that Santa's elves are entitled to take regular breaks, to drink lots of hot chocolate with marshmallows and whipped cream, and chomp on iced gingerbread cookies and the odd candy cane.
Thank you, Claire.
Thank you, Donna, and Merry Christmas.